If you're not exactly sure what type of dog you want, I'll say it till I'm blue in the face. Foster care is an awesome way to try out different dog breeds, gain experience as being a pet owner, and also you didn't lose any money out of your pocket because a lot of these rescues are going to cover your medical bills, give you supplies, including food, anytime you run out. Then you can get to learn different dog breeds, and more important than the dog breeds, you can learn who you are as a pet parent and what type of vibe you like.